What's up, chat? What's up? Better get do some live streaming, do some studying for this React course. So, trying to finish it up. So yeah, let's get started. If any of you guys got any questions or anything, you want to ask me any questions to a software engineer, put it in the chat. I'll answer it. Or maybe if you just want to talk about your day, that'd be cool too. Just kind of hanging out, studying, honestly. Let's pull this app up. Let's see. Let's run it. Npm run dev. Oh, if I spell it right. Control click that. Did it open? Hello? It's not opening. Just search it. Boom. Perfect. There we go. Looks good right there. Alright. Check-in box. Check-in booking. That was slow. 3 tabs just opened for the project. It's a little too late now. Right here, another box. times. Nice. Times. Hey youngin, how's the stream going? It's going great, man. You know, I want to pull my fucking hair out because I don't know how to fix this thing right now, but it's literally my job. I have a filter button, but it doesn't even filter it properly. I'm supposed to only have the checked-ins. I got unconfirms and checked outs. Turn the music down and your mic up. Alright, bet. Let me hear it. Let me see. Alright, let me talk. This is as loud as my mic gets, so. I can hear the music. Put it right there. Should be good. Well, technically I can't hear the music because I don't have it so that I can hear the music. I can hear it now much better. Alright, bet. Mic's still low, but not bad. Yeah, I don't know how to get the mic louder because this is as loud as it goes, I guess. Let me see. Is this any better? I'm like pushing like the plus button on my mic. I don't know if it makes it any better or not. Let me see. Does sound louder for sure. Okay, cool. Eventually I'm gonna get like a podcast mic because I'm gonna start doing that podcast. I might have found my problem. No. Maybe. Let's change this. I don't think that would be my problem. Yeah, no. Active. See. filter field. Table operations. Very, very interesting. Bookings. So what are you working on right now? So this is basically like an admin dashboard like app for somebody who runs basically an Airbnb for cabins. So you'd be able to go in here, create a user, edit settings, which is just like things for the cabin place itself, the hotel booking cabin place. Then you can see cabins, you can click them, you can edit which cabins you want to display for customers to book. Then you can handle the bookings for each like customer, like maybe this customer booked this amount of days for this time, and this is what they paid. If they paid it yet or not, they're gonna pay at the hotel. And then the home dashboard is kind of like statistics. It's gonna be statistics on basically what it is. Is the website an app or just a website? It's like a website slash app because technically it's a website because it's in the browser, but it's more like I would think like an app is something that you utilize to do something with. And websites like you browse stuff with, but I guess it's like a mixture of both. I don't know what like the technical terms between website and app are, but they're kind of like interchangeably used. Can you actually make apps? Yeah, I can make an app. I mean, let's look it up. Between apps and websites. Mobile websites are compatible across all devices. Can be shown. Apps are not immune to access like websites. Yeah. So I mean, I could make an app. So like this has its own type of like it has its own variation. So this is for making websites, but it has its own variation for making apps. So yeah, you could make an app. Or yeah, I could make an app. It wouldn't be hard to like transfer all this over into like an app for somebody to use on their phone. But this is like responsive on the phone somewhat. So like this is for like an example on an iPhone 12. It's not that responsive, honestly. It's not really meant to be used on your phone though, at least this app. But yeah, I'm just trying to fix like the filtering right now, so that way whenever you click checked in, all the checked in ones pop up. But it seems like I'm having a little bit of issue. This is my problem right here. Look at that, one line of code. Literally all I have to do is do that and then comment that out, save it. I'm pretty sure it'll work now. Yep, look at that. Oh, wow, that's how it goes though. So basically this was like what you'd call hard coding something. Basically this doesn't change, these values don't change regardless of anything that happens out here. So each one of these boxes, if you look up here, full screen it, you see it changes. Where's he at? He's actually like fucking some shit up. Leo, come here. Come here. Let me see. Up. No, up. Come up here. Come on. I gotta like box him for him to jump. Come here. Oh! Oh! Now look at the camera. Alright. Can you see him? Yeah, I know my follower goal's broken, bro. I don't know why. It won't change. I think I have to like redo the link. He's kind of sleepy right now. He ain't moving or nothing. He's trying to like fall asleep in my arms. Nah, on God, he ugly. Oh God, nah, I'm just kidding. He's handsome. Look. Big ol' head. Look, Leah. Look. Look. No. Look. Right. No. Don't. No. No. Look. All right. You're free to go. You're free to go, Leah. No, stop, 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 stop. No, 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 no. You're literally biting my whole arm. Sit. Sit. Yeah, get out of here. Freaking dog. Alright. I can't believe that but basically that whole filtering thing wasn't working because this was hard coded, which just basically means that the whole time, no matter, each one of these boxes are like linked to this, like it changes it, and so it grabs this and then it'll filter it whenever it fetches from the database, and whichever one it match, so like if they're all match checked, whichever one say checked out, it'll load those. But because each time it was saying total price instead, or each time it was saying 5,000 actually instead of checked out, it wasn't matching with any of them, so it was just displaying all of them again. Or actually it was filtering by the, so this is what it filters by. So it's filtering by the price instead of by the status, and it was doing greater than or equal to. So anything greater than or equal to 5,000 it would load. But I need this, which isn't hard coded, because it grabs this word right here and puts it in there. So yeah, that's basically like the littlest bug ever, making a big bug, big error. Well, not error, but like a logic error. If we get one more viewer, tell all your friends to get one more viewer, we can host somebody. Good bet Lawrence coming on in my ult. Alright. Who's Lawrence? Well, Lawrence is like your friend, right? I feel like every time I host somebody, I get some. Oh yeah, Lawrence is your roommate. But every time I host somebody, I get at least like one follower, so I try to do that. Let me see settings. Will this work? Hey, appreciate the follow, W Mans. We getting there, baby. We getting there. On your ult, it's crazy. Alright. I think I should be able to do it. Here, let me just finish this module real quick. Nice. Another feature was successfully implemented. Let's go. Okay, let's find somebody to raid. Let's pull up a tab. Kick.com. I don't like the word host. What's kind of cool about Kick too is like these people don't have the most viewers. No, it's called a host. That's why I don't like it. I don't like the word host, but it's basically a raid. But what's cool is that even though these people don't have the most viewers, they're still featured. I don't know what it's based off of, but like these people only have like 300, but they're still getting featured, which is kind of cool. But let's go to software development. Let's see, nobody ever streams in this. Oh, this is perfect. 2 hour subathon. Hey, what's up, Luke? How's that chat bot going? This guy's not even here. Honestly, I'll probably like this would be the person to follow, I feel like. Or like raid. 74 viewers currently. I'm just gonna talk until the guy comes back. You know, I gotta get the clout. So what's up, Luke? How's that kickbot going? Nah, I'm literally gonna wait till he comes back. So yeah. What does he do though? He's got any VODs videos? 2 hour subathon. How you gonna say 2 hour subathon? Come on, bruh. It's coming along. Mainly been working on other stuff. I like to jump between projects to not get burnt out on one. Yeah, that's true. I have that problem. I wouldn't say if it's a problem or not, but I definitely do that. But I've been working on this one course for a good bit. I'm trying to finish it up. I have like 2 hours, 3 hours left on it. Leo, stop. No. My dog's trying to go to war with me right now. I'm not having it. See what this guy does. Oh, he's British or Great Britain. I don't know what this is. England? English? Oh, this guy's making a kick chat bot too. I think it's good to have like 2 to 3 things to jump between, all kind of different vibes. Yeah, right now so I need to start learning C#, so I'm gonna start that. And then I need to learn Python just because I'm in a Python course right now for college. And then I've been trying to finish up this advanced React course too, so. This dude needs to come back. Is he back? Dude, where's he at? This dude's trolling me. Let's see what the other people up here are up to. Hey, Luke, show Tyler your kick chat bot if it's not too much trouble. It's pretty cool, actually. How does this dude have 74 viewers? No one's chatting though. What's up, guys? I'm just gonna type, see what people say. What are the other couple things that you rotate through, Luke? Yeah, I've noticed I'll have like 20 viewers and no one says anything. Yeah, like, how are all 74 people not saying anything? Maybe they just have like this tab open on the side while like they work on something. G_77, appreciate it for the follow, man. What's up, man? What's up? If you also want to join the Discord, it's in my thing down below. We got a lot of cool people on there. Trying to help people break into development, so got a lot of people on there who, it's just a community, honestly, looking to do the same thing. But appreciate the follow for real. If you got any questions, put them in the chat. Maybe you're looking to do engineering, or if you just want to share some stuff. We're just kind of hanging out while we wait for this guy to come back so we can host him. I have a question for you, man. I need your help. I don't want to annoy you. Nah, man, no, you're not gonna annoy me. Go ahead, shoot your question. Luke says, right now the Kickbot, an email server, and a CS50B course. Oh, he's back, but I'm gonna answer this guy's question. G77, what's your question, man? I got you. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. Sorry, my dog's messing around here. Messing with him. I want to learn coding. What are the best websites to learn? So my question to you is, I'm gonna ask you a question with your question. I'm gonna be like annoying here. So, do you want to spend money for great content? That's the question. Or also, are you military related at all? Because you can get it for free if you're with the military. Because I'm a veteran and I get this thing that I'm about to tell you for free. I mean, but if you want to do it free, there's some great options too. But I figured I'd ask you that up front before I tell you anything else. Hey, appreciate y'all, everybody watching right now. Thank you. If you got anything you want to share, throw it in the chat too. Or you got any questions, throw them in the chat. Yeah, I want to try first for free and then try the paying website. So I'll let you know both. So I use, let me pull them up, right? So you probably see already up here. I use Udemy for paid stuff, but like I said again, I get it for free because I'm a veteran, so they have like a free method that they give for everybody. So some of the great courses that are on here. Wait, also, like what kind of coding are you trying to get into? You want to do like websites? You want to build like programs? Oh, of course, man. Thank you for your support. I didn't do nothing crazy, I swear. Only killed 5 people. No, I'm joking. Just kidding. I want to do websites, coding, and software. Okay, cool. So yeah, web development, I really recommend this guy. Actually was just watching this guy's course, but I would recommend something like this. So Udemy is awesome, but more specifically for web development, this guy's course I really recommend. If you're trying to learn for free though, because this has like a lot of tech stuff, so you see business operations, cloud computing, there's even design. So like if you look up design, there's a bunch. This is a really good course. I haven't taken all of it, but I really like this guy's method of teaching. That's just me personally. But for free options, there's a couple things. There's the Odin project, which is really good. I've never actually used it, but I hear good things from it. So it kind of gives you like a roadmap, and this is for web development too. Has a different couple things. But if you go to GitHub, Luke says, good insight from Will. Also, the CS50 courses on EDX from Harvard are free, and you get a certificate when you complete them. I took CS50X, now taking CS50B. That is actually a good point, too. I hear a lot of good things from CS50, and you do get the certificate. And it's really nice to, when somebody, like, explains programming to you on a lower level, and then you start seeing the bigger picture. So basically, like, you start at the zeros and ones. It's not as complicated as you might think, and then you kind of work your way up. But yeah, so if you go on GitHub and then type, I want to say web developer roadmap, maybe. So yeah, there's like good information on here. But websites, just keeping it websites, I'm going to throw the links in the chat so that way you can just click them. There's that one. There's this website I really like, and I'll show you why I really like it. It's called Scrimba. It's actually targeted for web developers too, mainly like front end, so like everything you see on the website. But it also has maybe a little bit of back end stuff, so like the database and stuff like that. But if you go to the Scrimba's like main course, so like we'll just show, like, just use this as an example. So this is really cool, right? And I like this website a lot. I've actually utilized it myself. Is usually whenever you code in web, right, you'll have a web server and you'll be able to see it being edited with whatever you do, right, with your code. So this is like an all-in-one website. So you have that web browser right here. You don't need to open another tab. And what's cool is if I click play right here, you see this play button. If I click this guy's video starts playing, right? And so this is real time, like his screen. So if you click pause and like let's say this says fun facts about React, maybe I want to change this to fun facts about HTML and CSS, like in all caps, something random. And what's pretty cool is I can save notes. So you see how it says discard note branch. I'm not gonna give you a full tutorial, but basically you can save this note, and the moment I hit play, watch right here where my cursor is. The moment I hit play, it changes back to the video. It's actually really cool. I'm trying to build a website that has this kind of functionality, but then if you hit pause again and you click this little dot, you go back. You don't actually go back in the video, but you go to your note. It's pretty cool. So it's very interactive, and for somebody like me, I learned visually, so it helped a lot. Has a lot of cool other features. I definitely dive into it. So this is called Scrimba. I'll link you this too. I like this one. It's free. Well, some of it's paid for. So like if you go to courses, all courses. Some of them, yeah, you pay like a monthly membership, but some of the really good ones, like learning like a whole like learning React is what you'd want to do, learning JavaScript, something like that. All these are free, so I mean you can't really get better than that. And then I also hear good things about I think it's called 100 Days of Code. Right here, I think it is. No, it's not that one. There's like a bunch of 100 Days of Code. Web development. But those are just a couple. And if you type exclamation Discord, I'll do it for you. Join that Discord, and that's my Discord. We have a lot of cool, like, there's channels specifically for web development, like roadmaps and just basically anything dealing with like web development to help you get started. So you can use that for free resources too. And then my third one would be like YouTube. So if you do exclamation YT, that's my YouTube. I'd appreciate the subscribe. I gotta throw the selfless plug in, but I have some videos, but some people I recommend on here are Sunny Shanghai right here. So this guy does more so like projects, and you can kind of see, for example, like he's doing like a crash course building 6 apps, right? He built 6 apps. He live streamed, I guess, for, I think this is a live stream, or maybe he put it together, but he built some, like, he does some clones, he built some apps, and these are all like ways that you can see how he's like a professional, right? So you can see how a professional thinks and how they would actually write the code themselves, and you can get different perspectives, right? And actually that guy that I was telling you, his course, some of his stuff's on YouTube too, so you could go check it out. It's pretty good. And then I'm trying to think. Web Dev Simplified is really good too. So this guy as well. He has some. Everybody makes fun of his hair because it's like. So yeah, it's like that. It's not like bad. It's just like, how did he get it so stiff? But yeah, he has some really good stuff too. But there's a lot of good resources on YouTube. That's honestly where I learned a lot of my stuff, YouTube and Udemy. But the Odin Project and 100 Days of Code and the Discord would definitely get you started and help. And if you ever want to do like one-on-one or coaching or anything, man, let me know. I can help you out too. But definitely don't shy away from coding or getting into the tech field. It's really like revolutionary. Once you can learn it, and you can prove yourself, then you can really like do something with it. Like you can work remote from home, and you can take care of things at home while you're also working. Like it opens up a lot of fields. Luke says, I'm a sub on your YouTube. If you ever looking for a good Python YouTuber, Anthony Writes Code is one of the best. Hey, appreciate it, Luke. Thanks for the subscription. Anthony Writes Code. Let's check it out. Oh, you know he's a true programmer. He's got the freaking wires out. Actually, oh wait, I've seen this guy actually. I think. Yeah, I have seen this guy. This dude is good. Let's see. G_77 says, do you have to go to college to work as a software developer? Nah, that's the great thing, man, because while I'm going to school, the only reason I'm going to school is because the Army pays me, or the military pay. I'm an Army, U.S. Army veteran, but that's why I said Army. But the military pays me to go to school. Basically, they pay for my whole tuition, and then they pay me like monthly allowance to go based upon how many classes I'm taking. But what I'm saying is that that's the only reason I'm going, is because it wouldn't make sense to not go and get paid. But you don't need, that's the great thing about tech, you don't need a degree necessarily. Like if you can prove, so I'd say that like one, do projects slash GitHub. So like go and do a lot of projects and then organize them, make them look good on GitHub, because that's where employers are gonna look. And then two would be like build a resume. So build a nice resume, make your resume not necessarily look so nice, but be detailed. Like if, for instance, like a job that you worked at, explain like how the things that you did increase the profits for the company, or made it like, oh, I, like me for example, I used to do networking, like IT. So I would say in the military, I held network service for over 50 people at once to keep battle communications at times, right? Make that stuff sound worded, make it sound good, and when employers look at your stuff, you'll be able to actually it'll sound a lot better, right? So things like that are good. Your resume, your projects, and then just interview questions. The third one, I say the big three would be interview questions, resume, and then projects. And the best thing you can do for interview questions is like Leak Code is a good website. Is got easy problems, but don't be fooled if you have a hard time on the easy problems, because the easy problems aren't as easy as you think. But those are really good. And yeah. Luke says, appreciate your service. When I was getting into program, I almost joined the Air Force for free, just for free education. Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. But these days, honestly, I don't know. If I tell everybody that unless you're trying to be a doctor, you're trying to be like something that literally requires a degree, don't go to school, because I personally think that it's a waste of money. But you know, that's just my opinion. You know, I'm not wrong or right. So it's basically how you feel. People go to school, they want the experience, they want to do that. But for me, I feel like I'm putting money into like a system that's just basically set up to take the money from you and build you into a worker, when you could just go a different route and do stuff yourself. But that's just me. That's what I think. G_77 says, thanks, Will. I'm glad you were okay to answer my question. Of course, man, anytime. Luke MVC says, I agree. Yeah, man, of course, Luke. It's like, I don't know. That's just my opinion. I think that's what you do. I ask other streamers, they get mad at me in chat as well. So thanks, guys. Chat, and you will. Thanks. Yeah, man. Of course. I don't know why people are getting mad at you for asking questions. I don't know. Yeah, I've seen that though. People got no patience, man. But I want people to succeed, and that's my thing. And I want to help people, and that's what I'm all about, man. So yeah, let's see. I gotta run, but we're gonna host somebody. So we're gonna see who we can host. Unless you guys got any more questions or something, I can answer real quick, because that'd be, I could answer those. But I don't want to leave you. I don't want to leave you hanging, But let's look at software development. I'll give you guys some time to ask a question or two if you need to. This dude has 169 viewers. That's crazy, actually. My viewers are nothing in, but I appreciate you guys for real, asking questions, keeping the chat engaged. I honestly do appreciate y'all. You guys have great. I'm gonna go work out and then start learning. Heck yeah, man. Prime the muscles, then prime the brain. All right, man. Y'all take it easy. Let's host this guy right here. What's his name? Dev Marvel. All right, guys. Take it easy. I'm about to host this man right now.